If you ever feel nervous about speaking English at the airport, don't worry, you're not alone. Airports can feel confusing, busy, fast, and when English is not your first language, everything feels louder. This episode is for you. I'm Arthur, and Lily is here with me.
Hi everyone. If airports make you feel stressed, this conversation will help. We'll talk slowly, simply, like two people sitting together before a flight.
Exactly. No difficult words, no fast English, just real airport conversations. Let's start here. Why do airports feel stressful?
For many people, it's the fear of speaking wrong English
Or not understanding what someone says?
or feeling rushed,
Yes, people behind you, long lines, announcements.
and you feel like you have to answer fast.
But here's something important. Airport staff use simple English.
Very simple, short sentences, clear questions.
Let's imagine something. You arrive at the airport, you walk inside.
Big space, many people.
First thing you usually do, check in.
This is where many people feel nervous.
But the conversation is simple.
Very predictable.
Let me guide you through this. You walk to the counter, the staff member looks at you.
They usually say, "Hello, can I see your passport?"
You can answer simply, "Here you go."
Or, "Yes, here is my passport."
That's enough. No long sentence needed.
Then they may ask, "Do you have any bags to check in?"
You can say, "Yes, one bag."
Or, "No, only hand luggage."
Simple, clear. Sometimes they ask, "Where are you flying today?"
You can answer with just the city name: London, Dubai, New York.
You don't need a full sentence.
They understand.
Another common question, is this your first time flying?
You can say yes or no.
That's it.
After check-in, security.
This part feels serious.
But the English is very basic.
They might say, "Please take off your shoes."
Or, "Put your bag here."
You don't need to talk much.
Just listen and follow.
If you don't understand, you can say, "Sorry, can you repeat that?"
That sentence is very powerful.
Next stop, passport control.
This feels intimidating for many people.
But again, simple questions.
They might ask, "Why are you visiting?"
You can answer with short phrases. Tourism, business, family visit.
They may ask, "How long will you stay?"
You can say 1 week, 10 days.
No stress. After that, you wait.
This is the calm part.
You sit, you relax.
You may hear announcements.
Boarding will begin shortly.
You don't need to respond.
Just listen.
When boarding starts, they call groups.
Group 1, Group 2.
You walk forward.
They may say, "Boarding pass, please,"
You hand it over.
and say, "Here you go." Inside the plane, the flight attendant greets you.
"Hello, welcome."
You can smile,
If you need help, you can say, "Excuse me."
or, "Can you help me?"
Let's practice some simple requests.
For example, "Can I have some water?"
Or, "Where is my seat?"
These sentences are enough.
No grammar stress.
This is very important.
If you don't understand, say it.
You can say, "Sorry, I don't understand."
Or, "Can you speak slowly?"
Airport staff are used to this.
Let me ask you something. And take your time. What part of the airport makes you the most nervous?
Security,
Passport control?
boarding.
Just notice it.
Confidence doesn't mean perfect English.
It means speaking anyway.
Using simple words.
And staying calm. Airports are designed for people from all over the world.
Not just native English speakers.
Simple English works.
Slow English works.
If you're traveling soon,
You've got this.
speak slowly.
Listen calmly.
And remember,
You don't need perfect English to travel.
this was episode 6 of English Talk Hub.
We'll talk again soon.
Until then,
Have a safe journey.